Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Eid Mubarak to all of you. I've just created this beautiful makeup look for Eid. So if you guys want to know how I created this, then please continue watching. So the first thing I do before doing my makeup is obviously moisturizing my skin, and today I'm going to use the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. This has been one of my favorite moisturizers since the day I've used it, and it's been more than a week that I've been using this moisturizer before doing my makeup, and I just love it. It feels super light on the skin. For foundation, I'm going to use the Nykaa SkinShield Anti-Pollution Foundation, and I'm in the shade Hot Honey. This is a really good foundation. It gives a nice coverage and it is not so matte, not so dewy, and I love it. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is my favorite concealer. It is a really good drugstore concealer. It is very much affordable and really good quality. I mostly use this concealer to brighten up my face and conceal any pimples or dark spots that I have on my face. I actually do not have any kind of dark circles, so I use this concealer as a brightening concealer and I don't actually use it for concealing any dark circles. But yeah, it works amazing. It has a nice coverage, and I like to blend the concealer and even the foundation with a damp beauty blender because it gives a nice finish to the foundation and even concealer. Also guys, all the products that I've been using during this makeup look, I will be listing them down in the description box below, so in case if you guys want to check them out. And yeah, I'm just gonna quickly finish blending the concealer all over my face. For setting my concealer and the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact Powder, and I must say I love this powder so much. It really gives me a mattifying effect onto my face and I just completely love it. And I just love to also set my concealer with it. I earlier liked to use the loose finishing powder, but then I just have recently switched to this one because I actually also love the quality of this powder. For the eye makeup, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this brick orange kind of shade, and I'm going to just blend it onto my crease. And I just love this color. It is actually a mix of orange, brown and warm tone kind of thing, which I absolutely love. And I'm going to do the same thing to my other eye. Now we're going to cut the crease with the same concealer that I used earlier, which is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And this is my way of cutting the crease. And if you guys don't know how to cut your crease, you can completely skip this step. I just did this kind of cut crease because after that I will be applying a shimmer shadow on top of my eyelid. So if I do the cut crease, the shimmer shadow tends to pop out more, and that's the main purpose of doing the cut crease. But if you guys don't know how to cut your crease, then you can completely skip it. Or maybe if you are a beginner and you want to keep it simple, you can again just skip it out, and that will not make a huge difference on the eye look. It is just to make the shimmer shadow to pop out a little bit more, but you can completely skip it. Here I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact Powder to set the concealer that I've just used to cut my crease. That way the concealer will not crease out and the eyeshadow will stay for longer. And now I'm going to take this shimmer shadow from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette. You can see how gorgeous this is, and I'm just going to top it on top of the cut creased area. If you guys haven't done the cut crease thing, you can just generally top it on your lid and it will just give the same effect. And I just love the combination of this warm tone and golden color. It looks awesome. Now we're going to take the same shadow that I used on my crease, and I'm going to use it to smoke out my lower lash line. And I love to do this thing because that way my eyes look more bigger and fuller, and I love the effect of it. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline Colossal liner to do my eyeliner, and I prefer doing a wing liner. If you guys don't like to do a wing liner, you can just do your simple eyeliner or any eyeliner you like. Now the next step is applying lashes. I'm using the PAC Cosmetics eyelashes, and I just love this eyelash. It makes the eyes look so big and nice. The next, I'm going to take the Nykaa Glamoureyes eye pencil in the shade Blue Hex, and I'm going to do my kajal with it. This is just a combination. I thought that would look really good. The kajal just goes in contrast, and I loved how it turned out. If you guys don't like this blue thing, you can obviously use the normal black kajal. For mascara, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Stellar Lash Mascara, and I love this mascara so much. Now for bronzer, I'm going to use the NYX Matte Bronzer, and this is one of my favorite bronzers. It just makes my cheeks look so good. It helps to make my face actually look thinner and slimmer. It actually makes my cheeks look more kinda chiseled, I would say. And I use this as a contouring powder because I love how this looks, and I do not tend to use a contour powder separately and then a bronzer on top. I just like to use one thing. And for blush, I'm using the Benefit California blush, which is a really natural and corally peachy blush, which I absolutely love. And I love blushing up my face because it really adds some glow and happiness to my face. I don't know about you guys, but I love to blush my face, and I kind of blend it towards my nose to make it look more natural. So that's my thing. I absolutely love how it looks. For eyebrows, I'm going to use the Chambor eyebrow pencil. I actually received this in PR, and I must say I love this eyebrow pencil so much. Firstly, because it absolutely matches my eyebrow color, and secondly, because it makes my eyebrows look super natural. And I just don't like to overdraw them, and I just fill in the empty spaces and brush them up. That's all I do for my brows. And guys, I will definitely recommend you to try this eyebrow pencil. I just love it, and the best part is that it glides so smoothly, and on top of that it just makes my eyebrows look so natural, and I love it. Now comes my favorite part, which is highlighting, and I'm using my favorite MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter. Can you see that glow, baby? I love this highlighter so much. I cannot tell you guys how much I love this highlighter. And I'm a makeup artist by profession. I also use this highlighter on my brides, and it's actually super stunning and glowy, and I just cannot describe how much I love it. So yeah, I kind of get so happy whenever I apply highlighter. I don't know. I also like to highlight my brow bones because it just makes the entire eye look to pop out more. And you already know that I love highlighting my face, so I couldn't miss that. Now the next thing is to apply lipstick, and today I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Suede Secret Matte Lipstick in the shade Taffeta Terracota, and this is a really pretty brick kind of color, and I love it. I hope that I pronounced the name of this collection properly. If not, then I'm really sorry. But yeah, I just love this color, and the formula of this lipstick is much better than the other sugar matte lipsticks, and I love it so much. And I'm just gonna mix today two different lipsticks, and on top of that I'm going to use the Smashbox driver's seat, and I'm going to just top it on top of the other lipstick and just merge it and blend it using my fingers. You can obviously skip this step, but I just wanted to make this lipstick a little bit more pinky. And that's all for this makeup look. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video. If you really did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Comment down below your thoughts on this makeup look, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.